Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by verifying essentials so the following fixes work. First, check that Prime knows your location. Make sure your account region aligns with the VPN exit IP. Next, open your VPN app and pick a dedicated streaming server. Those often bypass blocks. Once done, restart your device and the VPN client, then clear the Prime app cache or browser cookies to remove stale location data. These steps reset mismatched info and often remove the immediate block, so you can proceed. Now you'll refine how the VPN connects, because protocol and leaks are common causes. Change the VPN protocol, try TCP if UDP fails, or enable obfuscation mode to look like ordinary traffic. Then enable DNS, IPv6, and WebRTC leak protection so Prime can't detect your true IP. Once configured, test several nearby servers and prioritize ones labeled for streaming. They have fresh IPs and better routing. If playback starts, keep settings. If not, move to the final verification. Finish by creating a clean session so Prime accepts the new IP. Connect the VPN to your chosen server, then log out of Prime, fully close the app or browser, and log back in. This forces Prime to read the current IP and credentials. If you still see the VPN error, test on another device or use a mobile hotspot to determine if the problem is device-specific. If blocks repeat, contact your VPN's support with server and timestamp details so they can swap or refresh IPs for streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.